Today in Kiyoko's kitchen, we're going to make something that seems very unusual, but it seems to be a hit on the internet, and that is fried rice made with cup noodles. We'll show you how. It's interesting. Make sure you watch the whole video.
In the cup noodle, you open it and
Little spill there. Sometimes hard to get out of the cup. You gotta massage it a little bit.
Come on. Okay, you got cup noodle out. You put in a deep rack and you pound it.
Break the noodles up into small pieces. You're also going to use the sauce that's already in there, or the spices.
That's enough to cut.
You can also put it back in the cup, but unfortunately, getting it out, we destroyed the cup, so couldn't do that this time. And that's up to you. You can use 1 egg or 2 eggs or 3 eggs.
I like 3 eggs. Tastes good.
The eggs taste really good in there.
And 1 cup of green onion. 2 cup hot rice.
There you go. Some people put the egg first and begin to cook it halfway, but this way seems to work better.
One cup green onion.
Half cup maybe.
1 cup.
Okay. The expert in Kiyoko's kitchen says it's 1 cup. It's 1 cup.
Now you put the egg.
After you've heated up the rice and the onions in the oil, then add the egg. Seems to work really well. As the egg starts to solidify, keep stirring, mixing. As you can see, the egg is no longer liquid.
Cover the rice. Egg cover the rice that way. And the rice gets fluffy.
This part takes about 2 minutes or so, maybe 3 at the most.
All the way high heat is fine. No salt or nothing. Okay. Now,
Here comes the surprise or the secret.
cup noodle.
You're going to take the cup noodle that you smashed and made wet, and you're going to put it in the rice, and that's where your flavor is going to come from.
Yeah.
And just like that, you have cup noodle fried rice. Pretty easy.
And make sure all that is gone.
Yep.
Really, cup noodle fried rice. And we put only pepper, no salt.
never try that, but she can do it. And that's it. Cup Noodle Fried Rice. As seen on the internet and from Kiyoko's kitchen to your kitchen. Have almost enough for 3 servings or 2 larger size servings. Please enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe to Kiyoko's Kitchen.